So it looks like, on the front end of the week, we have higher scrap, then going down to lesser scrap after that. I want to understand what is going on within this system dynamic to affect that. So there could be 1,000 things, right? There could be 1,000,000 things that go into this thing. But what I want to do is I want to leverage this product clone and put some AI algorithmic solving on top of it so that I can answer the question, what's going on here? Why am I seeing higher scrap on this area than that area? What are the contributing factors? If I looked at everything in my plants, my entire genealogy that's in that product clone, what is going to be the most important control variables that I can give to my operators and say, hey, if you do this, 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 and this, you're going to see less scrap on your line next week. The way that I do that in Braincube is go ahead and kick off an analysis from this.